Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and firmware so commands behave predictably. With the keyboard connected via USB, make sure no macro apps override keys. Press FN+ESC to enter the lighting or profile mode. This is the first actionable step to accept color changes. Once done, the keyboard will flash or show a mode LED. That tells you it's ready. If nothing happens, try a different USB port and retry FN+ESC, because hardware detection often blocks mode entry. You now choose whether to color the entire keyboard or individual zones. Use FN plus the numbered zone keys, FN+1, FN+2, etc. To pick a zone, once selected, press FN with left or right to cycle hues until you find red. To fine-tune, hold FN and press up or down to modify brightness or effect speed. This prevents washed-out or blinking reds. Once satisfied, confirm by waiting. The setting saves after a few seconds. If color shifts again, repeat selection and lock profile. You finish by saving and locking your red color so it persists across reboots. Many models let you lock the profile using FN plus the insert or a designated save key. Consult the quick reference printed under the keyboard if unsure. If the red doesn't stick, update firmware or reinstall the Redragon lighting app. Drivers often restore functionality. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset the keyboard by holding FN and ESC for 5 to 10 seconds to clear stuck modes before repeating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.